Today we're going to talk about the basic properties of triangles. A triangle is a shape that consists of three sides and three angles. Of these three, the lengths of the three sides and the size of the three angles determine how we would categorize the triangle. We're going to talk about the four basic ways to categorize a triangle based on the length of its sides today. So we have a triangle that has all different sides would be a scalene triangle. A triangle that has a 90-degree or perpendicular corner in it is called a right triangle. A triangle that has two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. And a triangle that has three equal sides is an equilateral triangle. So just to review, if I have a triangle that has three equal sides and three equal angles, what would it be called? That's right, it would be called a equilateral triangle. Now, what if I have a triangle that has a 90-degree angle in it and none of the sides are equal? Would that be a scalene or a right triangle? That's right, it would be a right triangle. So just to review, we're going to go through a few of these triangles and see if you can determine what the correct, just by looking at it, what the correct name of the triangle would be. You can see here this triangle has three different sides, so it will be called the scalene triangle. Here we have one. What does that look like? We know that this is much shorter than these two sides, so that has to be an isosceles triangle. This one, it's a little harder to tell, but we could make an educated guess that all three sides are equal, making that an equilateral triangle. Also, because it has two sides equal, we would call that an isosceles triangle as well. Now here we have the right triangle, but then we can see these two sides are equal, or we would make an educated guess based on the way it looks that those are symmetrical. So that's an isosceles triangle. Okay? So do you understand the basic properties of the sides and angles that will categorize and determine the name of the triangle?